How to remove Gcash link from Apple Payments. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Gcash link from your Apple Payments. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you are in the settings, simply tap on your name. And from there, you can simply tap on the option labeled Payment and Shipping. But before opening this section, you will be prompted to open this section by your Face ID or fingerprints. And in here, you will find the payments method linked to your Apple ID. From there, select Gcash, and in this section, you can simply tap on Remove Payment Method and a confirmation will pop up. From there, simply tap on Remove. And that's it. Now your Gcash link has been successfully removed from Apple services. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.